The People's Park in the Sky, often simply called People's Park and originally named Palace in the Sky, is a historical urban park in Tagaytay, Cavite. Palace in the Sky was built in 1979. It was intended to be a guest house for U.S. President Ronald Reagan, who was set to visit the Philippines. Palace in the Sky is known for its soaring elevation that gives its visitors a 360 degrees view of Tagaytay City. An astonishing view of the Green Mountains, lake, and the Taal volcano can surely be enjoyed in this site. Its refreshing cool breeze and its sweet smell of lush green plants are simply rejuvenating. Gazing at the entirety of Tagaytay from its viewing deck will make you realize that it has a rich province atmosphere. Nature lovers will surely admire the sight of its dense forests and other natural elements. This would encourage more visitors to explore the other ecological attractions of Tagaytay. The park's wide terrace and long walkways can accommodate a great number of visitors and allow everyone to enjoy the view. The unfinished buildings, abandoned amphitheater, dry pond, and gloomy bridge left a melancholic beauty that is dark but elegant.